Welcome to our channel. If you are encountering a site error when trying to access Netflix, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check if Netflix is experiencing a service outage by visiting downdetector.com or searching Netflix Down online. If there is a widespread outage, you will need to wait until Netflix resolves it. Step 2. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Step 3. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Then click Clear Data. This removes stored information that may cause errors. Step 4. Restart your browser completely by closing all windows and reopening it. Try accessing Netflix again to see if the site error is resolved. Step 5. Try accessing Netflix in an incognito or private browsing window. This bypasses cached data and extensions that might interfere with the site. Step 6. Disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions, as they can sometimes block Netflix content or cause errors. Step 7. Update your browser to the latest version by going to browser settings and checking for updates. Outdated browsers may have compatibility issues with Netflix. Step 8. Try accessing Netflix on a different browser or device. If it works elsewhere, the issue is browser-specific. If problems persist across devices, contact Netflix support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.